we talk about the state of Himachal Pradesh, which seems to be battling financial crisis. And Chief Minister Sukhwinder Singh Sukhu has now voluntarily relinquished the subsidy of all 5 power connections registered in his name. Now, Sukhu, setting an example, has urged wealthy citizens with multiple electricity connections to relinquish or to give up subsidies to support the development of the state. He stated that if one is capable, it is time to give back to the society. During a press briefing, the Chief Minister said that all of the cabinet members and Congress MLAs in the state have agreed to forego their subsidies following detailed discussions. Now, he's also reiterated the state government's vision to make Himachal Pradesh self-reliant by making all possible efforts to reform the system led to a gradual revival of the state economy, and urging the citizens to support these initiatives. He's added that collective efforts would ensure better opportunities for the underprivileged while driving the state to the path of progress.
जो अमीर लोग हैं उनको किसी प्रकार का अनुदान नहीं मिलना चाहिए, और इस अनुदान के दृष्टिकोण से मुख्यमंत्री के तौर पर जब मैं हूं, मुझे सब कुछ मिलता है, हमारे मंत्रिमंडल के सदस्य सब कुछ मिलता है, और हम पे करने की कैपेसिटी में तो हमने ये कोशिश की है कि जो समृद्धशाली लोग हैं वो स्वेच्छा से भी अपनी जो बिजली का अनुदान है, जो बिजली की सब्सिडी है, उसका त्याग कर सकते हैं।
Now, this is not hidden something as far as the state of Himachal Pradesh and the financial crunch that it has been facing over the last few months, especially when it comes to the budget 2024-25 expenditure, excluding when it comes to debt repayments, had amounted to over 52,000 crores. The budget target, which is the fiscal deficit, amounts to 4.7%, and the estimated debt that has gone up is around 86,589 crores, which has been, as far as when it comes to giving up subsidies is concerned, with the Chief Minister himself, leading by example, has said that those who are wealthy and those who have multiple connections in their name must do the same and also give up their subsidies. Let's, in the meantime, listen into how the BJP has been reacting, because this has also given them another opportunity to take on the Sukhu Sarkar, ramping up its criticism of the Himachal Pradesh government, accusing it of failing to fulfill the promises of free electricity and rate reductions, as the party has described it, and another example of the Khatakhat model that seems to be failing, and claiming that the government has run out of funds while attempting to fulfill unrealistic guarantees.
हिमाचल में फिर से खटाखट मॉडल का एक और परिचय मिला, जब बिजली की सब्सिडियों को अब खत्म करने वाली है हिमाचल की सरकार, कम करने वाली है। वादा किया था मुफ्त में बिजली देंगे, वादा किया था कि हम दाम कम करेंगे, परंतु सरकार में आने के बाद इस प्रकार की खटाखट गारंटीज पूरी करने के चक्कर में और लूट के चक्कर में तिजोरियां खाली कर दी, और अब न सैलरी पेंशन दी जा रही है, अब पेट्रोल डीजल पर टैक्स बढ़ाया जा रहा है, टॉयलेट पर टैक्स लगाया जा रहा है, बिजली पर सब्सिडी देने के बदले सब्सिडी काटी जा रही है, और बिजली के दाम भी बढ़ाए जा रहे हैं। ये सब खटाखट मॉडल का नतीजा है। अब तो हिमाचल प्रदेश में कहीं पर हिमाचल भवन बिकने की बारी आ रही है, कहीं पर हिमाचल प्रदेश के बड़े बड़े जो सरकारी होटल्स हैं उनको भी बेचने की या उनको भी बंद करने की बारी आ रही है।
Well, let's get in a word from Nyamika joining us live. Good morning to you, Nyamika. We are looking at how the BJP is giving out several examples as how the financial crunch is being faced by the Himachal Pradesh Sarkar. And leading by example is the Chief Minister himself, who has given up his power subsidy and is encouraging, especially those who are wealthy with multiple connections, to do the same. However, with this another move that is now given up, the BJP has been calling it as the Khatakhat model, which has failed, and especially when it comes to fulfilling unrealistic guarantees of the Congress Sarkar.
Well, good morning, Amita. And it seems like the trouble is being mounting for the Congress party and the Congress government in Himachal Pradesh, because this is not the very first time that this kind of a promise, which was earlier being made by the Congress party during the assembly elections in the state of Himachal Pradesh, is now not getting fulfilled, as it is because of the financial crisis which is being faced by the Sukhwinder Singh Sukhu's government in the state of Himachal Pradesh, because of which now he has asked some of the people from the state to give up the subsidy on electricity, as we have listened to what the Chief Minister Sukhwinder Singh Sukhu has mentioned, as he has urged the wealthy citizens with multiple electricity connections to relinquish subsidies to support the development of the state. As the Chief Minister has also stated that if one is capable, it is time to give back to the society, because we have seen that earlier also several of such kind of arguments were being given by the Himachal Pradesh government that how the central government is not helping the state government during this financial crisis which is being faced by the state. But on the other side, the BJP has given an opportunity to raise a question upon the promises which were earlier being made by the Congress party during the assembly elections, and that is the only reason why they are saying that this is how the Congress party fulfills its Khadakud model.
All right, Nyamika, thank you very much for joining in at this point. Financial crisis, as far as the state of Himachal Pradesh is concerned, it continues with the Chief Minister now giving up his power subsidy.